What's up, YouTube? I am Akima, and welcome to my very first video that I am going to post on YouTube. And by the way, Happy New Year! I waited for this moment, like January 1st. One, because it's my birthday. I just turned 2022. Thank you. But no, the second reason, which is probably the bigger reason, is that I am going to announce a goal with you guys for this channel on this video, which is I am trying to hit 1 million subscribers within 2 years. And that is one reason is because to test the YouTube, to test the question of like if it's still possible for any YouTubers to become popular in this 2024, like where all those YouTubers are everywhere, like saturated pretty much this platform. You may be wondering what kind of video that I'll be posting, and the quick answer is that I'll be posting a video. It's a lot of fun videos. You maybe enjoy them, like that's mostly for your entertainment, but I'll be leaving bits and pieces of moments where you'll be able to experience some cultural some cultural differences. And the reason why I decided to do these kind of videos is that I was lucky. I'm still a student, but when I was a student twice, I had an opportunity to go abroad as an exchange student. So now let me introduce you some of the versions of me. Knock knock, who's there?
It's Australian Roo.
Oh, I've been down under for a bit, mate. Oh, tiny room. The wrong way.
Knock knock, who's there?
It's American Roo. What's up? I went to States too, bro. Get that right, bro.
Knock knock, who's there? It's a Japanese Roo.
And I am also Japanese, so I know many Japanese things. Japanese okay? そうですね。そうですね。残りの期間はずっと日本に住んでたんで、お願いします。よろしくお願いします。すいません。失礼しました。And I was able to experience a lot of different culture. I was able to see different people, different types of people, different types of culture, different types of values, and I thought that really changed me. And I also noticed that not everyone can afford this kind of experience. And I was like, but this is really worth, trying it. It really changed the way I see things. And so I was thinking, okay, maybe is there a way to share this type of experience and potentially life-changing experience to people, like more people, because if you're going on exchange, you have to be healthy, you have to be obviously your language level has to be some sufficient level. You also have to be there's so many criteria, and I realized this opportunity is great, this experience is good, but then the hurdle is too high for a lot of people. So I decided to kind of share what it's like to be in that type of situation and experience those things, so that you can stay home, you can stay on your phone, and you can still get a stimulation or motivation of getting a lot of different views and different type of things. But anyway, that's too deep. That's a super deep talk. Let's just leave that there. And yes, back to my YouTube fun video type of thing. I am trying to hit 1 million subscribers in 2 years. And I know this is crazy. This is probably the most craziest thing I would say in my life.
But what most Japanese would do, I wrote this goal as my kakizome project. Like many Japanese, they usually write their New Year's resolution on this kakizome as their kakizome project. If you want to find out what kakizome really is, you can find my video I'll explain it later.
I'm still believing myself, and also I want to believe my community. So yeah, just become to be part of a community. You know, you literally have to press this subscribe button, and then there will be a lot of video. There will be, I already shooted some. Cannot wait to post them. It's so those videos are exciting and super fun. But yeah, you know, like I am about to graduate college, and you know, my life, I do this as my life depends on it, and I define one of the ways that I define my success is if I have 1 million subscribers within 2 years. Like, you know, I really want some of those challenges. So yeah, and if you're with me, please do hit the subscribe button, and it means a lot to me. But go ahead and watch more videos. That also helps too.
Boom blip boom blip boom blip boom blip boom blip boom blip.
Oh, I don't do beatboxing. Anyway, subscribe.